Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I am here, a PhD scholar. I am going to present a topic, Divian Ginkgophyta. Scientific classification: Kingdom Plantae, Divian Ginkgophyta, class, order, family, and genus is Gingko. Botany with YouTube is our channel. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel firstly. Ginkgophyta. Ginkgophytes or any member of the division Ginkgophyta, a group of Gymnosperms plant of particular interest to paleobotanists. It is regarded as by some as one of the wonder of world as seed plant, and they are the oldest living seed plants. Fossil leaves with similar form and venation to living ginkgo have been found in Jurassic period. These fossils have been described from such geographical separated areas as Australia, Western North America, England, and Central Europe. The fossils vary greatly in form and are usually described as species of the genus Ginkgo. Almost the same degree of variation in leaf form can be found into a living ginkgo trees. However, some paleobotanists therefore have recommended the abundance of genus Ginkgo and their several species. Fossils record. There is one of the ginkgophyte leaf in the fossils record that is generally regarded as a distant form and is given the generic designation. The leaf is deeply lobed into four segments and lack a stalk. Ginkgo has been investigated for its effect in the treatment of asthma, toxic shock syndrome, and various circulatory disorders. In addition, it has been used by many individuals for its purported enhancement of memory function, which has been studied in hopes of finding a treatment or prevention for some disease. Fossils of ginkgo leaves you can observe here in diagram. Habitat: it is native to China and Japan. It is also cultivated ornamentally in many temperate regions. Sources: biological sources. It is consists of leaves obtained from dioecious trees. Ginkgo biloba belong to family Ginkgosis. And geographical source: it is native to China and Japan, cultivated ornamentally in many temperate regions. The leaves are bilobed, each lobe being triangle and outlined with a fine radiating like venation. Ginkgo seed, and you can observe here the tree of ginkgo biloba. Gingkopsida. Ginkgo trees are living fossils. There is only one species of ginkgo present on earth, Ginkgo biloba. It appears nearly identical to fossils 270 million years old. Ginkgo biloba is the only example of broad-leaved deciduous gymnosperm tree. All other gymnosperm trees are needle-like evergreen conifers. You can observe here in diagram. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Share our channel, share our videos with your other friends, colleagues and other researchers. History of Ginkgopsida. We believe that ginkgos become extinct in the world, and there are few population of ginkgos that extinct in the world presently. However, the genetic variation of these population is very limited, indicated they may be population that have taken a hold from just a few trees. It is hypothesized that monks may have planted the parental trees and neutralizing these semi-wild population. Ginkgo are dioecious plant. Ginkgo are dioecious, having separate sex, with trees either being female or male. Male plant produce pollen, sperms in sporophyll, fleshy cones shape structure. Unlike most gymnosperm, female plants do not produce cones. Rather, two ovules are formed at the end of the stalk, which can develop into seed. The seeds are surrounded by a fleshy outer layer, is light yellow, brown, soft, and fruit-like. However, when pickled, it is considered a delicacy by many people in China. Classification of ginkgo. In earlier system of classification, ginkgo was placed in the class Coniferopsida along with conifers. In recent years, ginkgo and its fossil alleles have been placed in separate group, the division Ginkgophyta. Reproductive structure and function. Ginkgo is dioecious, which means the pollen producing structure and ovules are produced on separate trees. The reproductive structure are restricted to the spur branches, where they are evident in the spring in the exile of bud scales and foliage leaves. The pollen producing strobilus is a loose pendulous structure consists of main axis to which attached numerous appendages and bear microsporangia at its tip. Meiosis occur in cell of microsporangia and give rise numerous haploid microspore. The cell division take place within the microspores, resulting in the formation of 5-celled pollen grains. And another plant species will be female, and one of them is male plant and one of them is female plant. Male plant will produce the pollens or sperm, and the female plant will produce the egg or gametes. One of the megaspore in the ovule that result from meiosis enlarge and undergoes a succession of free nuclear division without wall formation. After about 8,000 haploid nuclei are produced, cell wall begin to form. After the female gametophyte becomes cellular, archegonia are initiated at the surface toward the micropylar end of the ovule. An archegonium consists of neck cells and a large egg cell. Stem. At maturity, a ginkgo tree has reached height of 20 to 30 meters. Young trees often have a central trunk with regular lateral branching. In order in older trees, the branching is irregular. You can observe here the stem, leaf and ovule female cone. A conspicuous feature of ginkgo is the possession of long branched and short or spur branches. Leaves are produced on long branches during the spring growth. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Like our video and share with your other friends. And if you have any question related to our topic, you can share with us in comment section. And if you have any question, you can ask us in comment section as well. Leaves of this type of plant are bilobed. You can observe here in diagram petiole is present. They are fan shaped. Dichotomous vein blade or lamella is present. Multilobe leaves are also occur on new branches arising from the tree trunk at ground level. Uses of ginkgo. Ginkgo biloba is a herb used to treat altitude sickness, prevention, or cognitive disorder, dizziness, memory loss, and some other sexual dysfunctional activities. Documented increase in peripheral blood flow in diabetes or hearing loss treatment. Side effect associated with ginkgo biloba: allergic skin reaction, bleeding disorders, constipation, and diarrhea, dizziness, headache, nausea, vomiting, etc. Restlessness or seizures, weakness. Medical benefit of ginkgos. Ginkgos has been a part of traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. The leaves were used to treat brain and circulatory problems and respiratory condition. Ginkgo nuts were used for cough, fever, diarrhea, and it's no sold mostly as supplement for memory support or brain health. You can see here in diagram the powder of ginkgo trees, ginkgo medicine, ginkgo seed medicine. Thanks for your concentration, for your time, and thanks to visit our channel. Good luck to all of you. Allah Hafiz.